Welcome, my dear children. Subject: Environmental Studies, Standard 3. Topic for the day is More About Water, prepared by Jyoti Kokate. Children, try this. Take a glass of water. Look at its color. What color is it? It is colorless, means it has no color. Now, smell a fragrant flower. Can you tell what is a smell? The flower has a sweet smell. Now, try to smell the glass of water. Can you guess what is a smell? Yes, it is odorless, means no smell. Now, taste a ripe mango. How does the ripe fruit taste? Yes, the mango tastes sweet. Now, taste the water. How does it taste? The water has no taste at all. It means it is a tasteless. Now, let us try to see a candle through a cardboard. Can you see it? No, we cannot see the candle through cardboard because it is opaque. Opaque means unable to see through. Let me tell you in brief the meaning of opaque. Opaque means if you cannot see through a substance, it is said to be opaque. Now, we try to see the candle through the glass. Can you see it? Yes, we can see the candle because the glass is transparent. That means able to see through the glass. Now, same thing we will try to do with the glass of water. And yes, we can see the candle through it. That means water is also transparent. Now, what is mean by transparent? If you can see through a substance, it is said to be transparent. Children, pure water has no color, it has no taste, it has no smell, and pure water is transparent. Let's try this. Take two plates and in one of the plate put some flour and pour some water in the other plate. A small heap of flour is formed in the dish and water spreads in the other dish. Now, here we can see a bowl and a cup with the water. The water has taken the shape of a bowl and the cup. That means water takes the shape of the container into which it is poured. Let's see the properties of water. Pure water has no shape. It spreads on flat surface. It flows towards the slope. The pure water can be used for the purpose of drinking, washing clothes, cleaning utensils, and for other purposes. And the impure water can be used for the purpose of irrigation and sanitation. Now we will learn about three states of water with the different examples. Here you can see the water is a liquid state. When water becomes very cold, it freezes. That it is turns into ice. So, ice is a solid state. When ice is left uncovered, it gets heat from the air around it and it forms water again. If we heat the water, it will boil and the boiling will convert the water into the water vapor. That means steam. Here I have an example of water cycle to show you the three states of water. The water cycle shows the continuous movements of water within the earth and atmosphere. It is a complex system that includes many different processes. Liquid water evaporates into water vapor, condenses to form clouds and precipitates back to earth in the form of rain and snow. So, there are three states of water. Ice is a solid state, water is a liquid state, and water vapor or steam is a gaseous state. Now, try this. Mix a tablespoon of salt in a glass of water. Then stir it and taste it. What happened, children? How does it taste? Yes, it becomes salty. When salt is added to water, it dissolves and disappears, making the water salty in taste. Like salt, several other substances also dissolve in water. For example, sugar and alum. Children, let's see what we have learned today. Water has no color, smell, or taste. Water is transparent. Water takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Water spreads on a flat surface and it flows down a slope. Water is found in three states: solid, liquid, and gaseous. Several substances dissolve in water. Now, here is an exercise for you. Question 1. Observe the following pictures. Write the characteristics of pure water. Pure water has dash. The answer is pure water has no color. Now, look at the first picture. Pure water has dash. The answer is pure water has no smell. Look at the second picture. Pure water has dash. And the answer is pure water has no taste. Now, look at this picture. What does it tell us? Pure water is dash. And the answer is pure water is transparent. Now it's a homework time. Question 1. Explain the following terms. A. Transparent. B. Opaque. 3. States of water. Thank you, dear children.